Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be learning how to fix your Instagram's avatar option not showing up. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Instagram app. Now whenever you try to add your story by tapping on the plus icon that appears on the top left corner of your screen, and you scroll up to go to the sticker section, or you simply tap on the sticker icon that appears on top of your screen, you'll be given this window where you can see on my window I have the avatar option. But if you do not have the avatar option, then here's how you can solve this issue. Simply go back and check if there's an update for Instagram. Make sure your Instagram app is up to date. For that, open Play Store and on the search bar type Instagram. After that, tap on Instagram, and here if you see the update button, tap on it so that your Instagram will be updated to the latest version, and go back and check if your avatar option has appeared. However, if it's still not appearing, then it may be because your cache on your Instagram app has been building up. So go ahead, long press on Instagram, tap on app info. If you've been using your Instagram, then tap on force stop, confirm that you want to force stop. After that, tap on clear data, clear cache, and confirm that you want to clear cache. This may help you solve your issue of the avatar option not showing. So go ahead and repeat the process. Open your Instagram, try adding a story again, and go ahead and tap on the stickers icon again. Now if the avatar option is showing, then it's great, but if it's still not showing, then simply screenshot this window where the avatar option is not showing. After that, go back and visit your profile by tapping on the profile icon that appears on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the three-barred icon that appears on the top right corner. Tap on settings and privacy. After that, scroll down until you see the option of help. Simply tap on it. You'll see the report a problem option. If you tap on it and confirm that you want to report a problem, tap on include and continue, you will be led to this page. Now there will be a default image that will already be uploaded. However, this image is not related to your issue. So simply go ahead and tap on the cross icon on top of this image. Tap on the upload section. Now upload the image or the screenshot that you've just taken in which your avatar option does not show up. Then go ahead and explain what's happening in this image. That is, your avatar option is not showing up on your Instagram. After you've done that, tap on the send button that appears on the top right corner of your screen, and then Instagram will get back to you within a certain amount of time and your issue will be hopefully resolved. However, if it still doesn't appear, then you're going to have to wait for another update from Instagram in which the avatar option will show up. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions still, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.